In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and manage plugins on your WordPress site hosted via HostGator, a critical skill that helps you customize and enhance the functionality of your website with ease. Let's dive in together. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard on HostGator hosting. If you're unfamiliar with what a dashboard is, think of it as the control center for your website where you can make changes and manage all aspects of your site. Once you've logged in, you'll want to look over to the left-hand menu where you'll find an array of options. Here, you'll need to navigate to the plugins section. Simply hover over it and you'll see the Add New option pop up. Go ahead and click on Add New, and this is where the fun begins. Now you're presented with the Add Plugins page, where you have the choice to either search for the plugins you need or upload them if you have downloaded a plugin file outside WordPress, usually a zip file. By searching, you're accessing a vast library in the WordPress plugin repository, where you can find a range of plugins to suit any requirement you might have. Spoilt for choice? No worries. Take your time to read through user reviews, check ratings, and see the number of active installs to help guide your decision. Once you've found the desired plugin, or you've uploaded a zip file, you'll see a button labeled Install Now. Hit that button, and WordPress will take care of the heavy lifting for you. The plugin will download and install itself onto your site. Once installed, the button you clicked on earlier will transform into an Activate button. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. Activation is crucial because without it, the plugin won't be functional, much like a light switch enabling the flow of electricity. With your plugin now activated, the next critical step is configuration. Plugins typically come with default settings, but these might not perfectly align with your particular needs. You'll usually find a settings page for your new plugin added within your WordPress dashboard, often under the Settings tab or within the plugin list itself. Spend some time here adjusting the settings to best suit your needs. If you're unsure about any features, most plugins come with documentation or support to help you out. Finally, let's talk about maintaining plugin security. Just like any software, plugins receive updates from their developers. These updates can introduce new features, fix bugs, and most importantly, patch security vulnerabilities. Therefore, make it a habit to regularly check for updates on your dashboard and apply them as soon as they become available. Keeping plugins up to date is essential for the security and efficiency of your website. And there you have it. You've installed, activated, and configured a plugin in WordPress, adding a new dimension to your site. By maintaining